We're outside in the snow. Let's go on out here. Come on, guys. Let's go out. Yeah, we've already been out here one time, and the doggies have already been playing. Where are they? Come on, guys. Oh, I'm gonna take a walk down here and check my parcel box, make sure it's snow's off of it, just in case I get a delivery today. I just love the way it sounds when you're walking in the snow, and it's so, I don't know, it's got that little sound, like a smushing sound when you step on it. Oops. Here's my parcel box right here. And this, of course, it's full of snow. Take it, get the snow off of it. Of course, more snow will probably get on it. And just looking around, there's the end of my driveway there. I don't know, can you see it? Yeah. And just kind of give you a 360-degree view here of my home. Ooh, that wind's picking up. And it's really blowing a lot of snow, just like the weather forecaster said. You know, this snow reminds me of when I was a kid. We'd get out here, we wouldn't care how cold it was. We'd get out here, we'd have snowball fights, and we would have just all kind of stuff. We build snow forts, but this snow here is kind of powdery, so it wouldn't make good snowmen or snowballs right now. So I got me a propane tank right there. It provides me with hot water, cooking on my stove, and my gas logs. Come on, guys. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's play. Let's go. Come on, come on. They just love it out here. Come on, let's romp around. Come on. Get him, Riley. Get him, Riley. My little Boston Terrier. Come on, Luca. Come on, let's go. Let's go, buddy. Come on. Oh. Oskar bit me in the butt. Not a real bite, just a little, little pinch. Oh, Lord. Well, let's go back in, y'all. This is from western North Carolina, a little town called Lenore, right at the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains. So we're kind of in what you call the Piedmont. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.